Right, so let's unpack it and have a look at what it looks like and how we set it up. So this is the unit. It's on a rubber, one of these ones that you just push it out like that. If you go camping, it's brilliant. So it's got this handle on it as well. And then you've got these buttons on the front and you can run it 3 minutes, 10 minutes or 5 minutes. Let's put some water in it and see how it does. So I've put a bit of water in it. So let's put it on for 3 minutes and see what happens. Start. Oh, I see. So it spins around like that. It's got them lovely blue lights in there. So let's drop a clothes in there. So in there now, I've got one little baby grow. I've got a pair of underpants. I've got a t-shirt and I've got a tea towel. So, and that's coping really well, you know. So if you're going away, got a little bit of washing to do. Obviously, it's not going to do a big, massive wash like your washing machine would do. But the purpose of this is it's ideal to take away on holiday. That's what I want to do. And it flattens down. It will fit inside the camper van. It's very low voltage. It's got that low voltage plug here. So later on in the video, I'm going to try it in the camper van to see if it works off of the electricity inside the camper van. I'm really pleased with that. I think that's doing a brilliant job. I can see the water's getting a little bit dirty now. And it's got a 5-minute wash, a 10-minute, 3-minute wash. And it plugs in there on that side there. This is very low voltage, so it's going to be very low energy. It's got a lid that you can put on it as well. So what I want to do now is I want to test it inside the camper van. Right, so here we are inside the camper van. Now I've carried it outside the house with this handle, and that's got about, I don't know, 10 litres of water in there, because this is the bigger one. You get the 8 litre and the 12 litre. This is the 12 litre, and if you want one of these, you'll find the link below. You know, you click on that orange button or the you know, the shopping button. So let's plug it into the electric over here. That's ready. And then we'll do this. And look at that. So that's running off of my electric off the van, which is that unit here. There's that washer. I think that's absolutely brilliant. I'm really pleased with that. So that's working really well. So if you want to grab one of these, you'll find them in the shopping cart below. How cool is that? Let me test the spin dryer. And you see it drains out nicely. So I'll let that drain down. But obviously, what you would do is if you were using this, you'd give it a wash for 10 minutes, and then once all the water's drained out, I'd put fresh water in there to give it a rinse, and I'd run it for another 10 minutes with fresh water so it's not got all the soap suds in the clothes. And then after that, I'd do the spin drying. And just to show you what I had in there, I got this tea towel, I got a t-shirt, I got a pair of child's underpants, and I got a baby grow, and that's right there. So they're the items I've got. Got nothing left in there now, it's just draining out. So I'm going to put this basket in. So you pop your basket in there like that. So you can see, look, there's a little bit of, I don't know whether you can see that on the camera, but there's a little bit of water starting to pick up in the bottom. If I lean that back a little bit, you can see that there's water there. So obviously it's not going to spin dry it like your washing machine would, but it's going to get enough water out. I'm over the moon with that, I really am. And they're so cheap, and you've got a portable, you know, washing machine. As you can see, it's that rubber, so when you finish, you can collapse it down, store it away, and that's basically the distance it's going to be, because that all goes down over the top of it, obviously. So, you know, it's only that sort of thickness. I'm really pleased with that. So if you want to get your hands on one of these, you'll find the, you know, the shopping basket below, or a link below this video. Absolutely brilliant. I'm really, really chuffed with that, and I hope you like it.